video for my famous sangria. If you haven't seen the video yet, check it out. It's a good one. Delicious. Today, I am making shish kebabs. We bought a barbecue recently, and I've been feeling very nostalgic. My dad, who wasn't much of a cook, he used to make these shish kebabs all the time. I do enjoy these shish kebabs. Let's get going. First things first, I like to use a pan like this with some kind of lid because we're marinating these shish kebabs, and I like to mix them up every so often while they're marinating for a few hours. What I've done ahead of time, just an hour or two ago, I put some bamboo skewers and I soaked them in some water. So I'm going to dump the water out. Soaking these in water just helps prevent them from catching on fire while they're barbecuing. Delicious. For ingredients, it's very simple. I have 2 bell peppers. I've cut up 1 orange and 1 red, just into manageable bite-sized pieces. Use any type of bell pepper that you have on hand. I chose the red and the orange because in my marinade I see chunks of red and orange peppers in it. It matches. Here I have 2 Italian sausages that I have cut up once again into relatively small bite-sized pieces. I have 1 mild and 1 hot, just for a little bit of variety. Use whatever type of sausage you want, essentially. That's fine. Here I have 2 small onions that I've simply cut into quarters. Took the onion and cut it into 4 pieces and then separated them. Can't get any easier than that. Here I have 2 chicken breasts that I have also cut up into manageable bite-sized pieces. A bottle of zesty Italian dressing. Really, this makes such a delicious marinade. I wouldn't normally use a pre-made anything. I would concoct something that was elaborate and took forever to make and took a million ingredients. But this is so good. I think the acidity in this helps break down or moisten the meat. I don't even know. This is good. I'm going to take a piece of pepper and shove that through. There we go. I like lots of room to hold it while you're eating it. Okay, and then take a piece of sausage and you just slide that right on. Oh, and then an onion. There we go. And you just slide that down like so. And then, I don't want that one, a piece of chicken. And you slide that down. And then continue with the pepper. I did an orange one here, so I will continue on with a red one. Ugh, so easy. And then I'll do a hot sausage this time. And then an onion. Piece of chicken. Orange pepper. Mild Italian sausage. Onion. Chicken. Red pepper. Hot Italian sausage. Onion. Chicken. That looks beautiful. I think these turn out so well on the barbecue because the chicken stays moist because of the fat content in the Italian sausage. So the Italian sausage melts on the barbecue and helps keep the chicken moist. And the sweetness of the bell onion with the acidity of this zesty Italian dressing makes for such a beautiful tasting shish kebab. Really bright, really zesty, and so moist and flavorful. That's it. Place that into your container and keep going making the rest of the kebabs. So delicious. And just like that, the shish kebabs are done. They're ready for the marinade. And I'm also ready to be marinated, so I'm going to fill up my glass of sangria. It is delicious. I made 8 exactly the way that I showed you with the sequence of ingredients, and then I have the remnants or the leftovers of the ingredients and made this Frankenstein kebab. This recipe easily serves 4 people. All that's left to do is marinate our kebabs. Simply squeeze it over the kebabs. Done! I used about 3/4 of the bottle. That's it. Refrigerate this for 2 to 4 hours. Try to remember to rotate your pan every hour or so, and these will be ready for the barbecue. The barbecue is lit. The shish kebabs have marinated. I did remember to flip them over and give them a little shake just to make sure that they were well marinated. We're ready to barbecue. Place the kebabs on the barbecue. I'll probably flip them 4 times, just to make sure that they get a nice color on all sides. They're starting to get just a little bit of color, so I'm going to flip them over for flip number 1. They look great and juicy. Flip number 2 of 4. I think I'm flipping them every 5 minutes or so. I only have the heat on medium. It's time for flip number 3. The left side seems a little hotter, so I just took a couple that don't seem to be cooking as fast and switched them around. They're almost done. I just finished flipping them for the 4th time. Almost ready to eat. They're done. I've turned the barbecue off, and I'm ready to transfer them over to my board using a clean pair of tongs. Beautiful. Ready to eat. I hope you enjoy this super simple recipe. See you again next time.